All right, guys, 1998 Pontiac Firebird. Look at this thing. It is clean. It's been in the family for a long time. He brought it to us. It's got the LS1 in it. So we're gonna let you guys see what we've done on it. Got factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then it winds into a single, then 3-inch all the way back on top. And then what we did is a custom Y pipe. So we can do straight pipes on it. There it is, right there. Each side. And then out the back and put quad tips on it to complete the look. As you guys can see right there. So it's got a custom Y pipe we built to make it flow evenly between the two. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, please like, comment, subscribe. There's the old muffler that was on it. We took it off, give it a little bit more tone and sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Here we go. There we go. Now she sounds like a Pontiac. Yeah. That sounds so much better. Again. Sound decibels, guys. LS1. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry, man. I just took a gallon of gas from you. That sounds good. I like it. One more. Yeah. Let you guys hear on that? Yeah, we're not doing it inside, guys. It's got T-tops. So, it's a nice car still. I love it. Enjoy it, man. Straight pipe. Yeah. 1989 Ford Crown Victoria. What we got done on it for you guys? There's got factory converters there and there. A total of 4. There's up there, and then 2 back ones. Then what we got done is true duals on it for them. Straight pipe all the way back. Tailpipes are right there on this side and this side, 2-inch. And then we got 3.5-inch black black angle tips there and there. This is the pipe that he came in with. Barely had anything on it, so we cleaned it up for him, made it look really good and nice. As you guys can see right there, Crown Victoria LTD. Really nice old car. Wow, that sounds really good. Came out nice. There's sound decibels on it. Again. 107. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? This sounds really good. What do you think, Ben? You like it? Ford Crown LTD. I got a really nice idle. Alright guys, M45 Infinity 2007. Doing a little different for you guys on this video. From back to front instead of front to back. We put quad tips on it, there and there. And then a 2.5-inch custom system all the way, as you guys can see, right there. Look at that. All the way back. This was another shop did this work, 2 1/4. On the car, it looked even worse. It was hitting everywhere and everything. Then he brought it back to us and we cleaned it up for him. So that's what it looked like before. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And this was 2 1/4. This is 2 1/2. So we'll let you guys see it and hear it and all that good stuff in a minute. And like always, guys, please make sure you guys subscribe for more beautiful content. We get about 20% that actually subscribe. So we need more than that. There's the cats up there. So you guys can see cat there and cat there. And there's the 2 1/2 inch system all the way back. There it is. This side and this side. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And this beautiful honey. Wow! Wow! Again. Here's sound decibels. 123. Oh my God. Go ahead and back it out. Gee. How much? In that bay it was 102. M45 Infinity. It's a clean little car. Insane how loud it is. Let you guys hear on the inside. True straight pipe. It is loud and proud. Here's that idle. Listen to that thing purr. Guys, 2007 Chrysler 300C, 5.7 hand, Hemi power, baby. Anyways, what we got done on it is a full system for you guys. High flow cats there and there. Then 2 1/2 system all the way back. He didn't want an X pipe, so we didn't put on one and ran just true dual all the way back 2 1/2 on each side there. And right there, all the way back into some sexy 4-inch black tips to complete the look. As you guys can see, look at that. Just came out absolutely beautiful. There it is, right there. Look at that. There's the suitcase muffler that was on it. There's the resonators that were on it. And there's the mid pipe that was on it. We took all that off and ran all new, as you guys can see. So it lost about 150 pounds worth of weight off of it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Aha! I love it! Wow. That is loud. It out. Listen to that idle. Always fueling the addiction, like it says on the sign. Fuel the addiction. That's insane, guys. Very nice. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chrysler 300C. True dual, high flow cats, 2.5-inch pipe into 4-inch tips, black. Let's see if he puts on a show. Nice. Beast mode out of a Hemi, babe. 2007 Grand Marquis Mercury. Really nice car. I love these cars. They're so comfortable. They've got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side, 2 there, 2 there. Then what we did on it comes usually a single. Right there, you see it in the background all the way at the end. We true dualed it all the way back. This side and this side. Right there and right there. Like always. Then there's the tailpipes, and he wanted them out the sides instead of out the back, which I like too. It's a nicer look right there. And right there with double walled stainless steel tips, they come out really clean looking on them. As you guys can see right there. There's the other side. And this is what I was talking about. It comes into a single where we true dual it, that white pipe right there. We cut it right before there. That's how you true dual these. And there's the muffler. There it is. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, please subscribe, because that helps us keep going and making more videos. Oh man, that sounds good. Oh yeah. Exactly what you wanted. Yeah. There's a nice pop, you know? Oh, that sounds so good. Again? There's sound decibels again. Bro, 113, that's awesome. Gotta back it up. Please. Give that Grand Marquis some style. Give it gas. Oh, it sounds so good. He's got some 22s he's putting on it too. But because of the winter, he stopped. Let you guys hear on the inside. Grand Marquis 07. True dual, straight pipe. You put any kind of muffler on these, it quiets it down way too much. The only thing that we've seen that actually doesn't give it, takes all the sound away is the Flow FX or the MagnaFlow MagnaFX. If you guys want it more deep and subtle instead of raspy. But you hear that rasp. It's got a nice idle to it. Come get you some. Hope you guys like it.